All right, so I think I'm recording. This is just memorization. There's really nothing to explain here. This is in your skill packet. Um, Boy, I forget which number. Maybe skill packet 2. Um, this is your library of functions. You have your cube root function. You have your absolute value function. You have your logarithmic function. You have a cubic function. You have an exponential function. You have a logistic function. You have a quadratic function. Sometimes we call it quadratic, sometimes squaring. You may refer to the graph as parabola, so you could call it a parabolic function. I would accept any of those. Here we have a constant function. Here we have the identity function. The input and output is identical. This is a specific type of step function. It's called the greatest integer function. Um, Here we have the reciprocal function, and here we have a sinusoidal. We look at these extensively next semester in trigonometry. This is the graph of a sine curve, and then we have shifts and for cosine curve, and we talk about in all 6 trig functions, but for sinusoidal functions, it's just the sine and cosine or shifts of these. So I guess you just have to pause the video and look at it, and whether you use cue cards or just staring at it or however you memorize that, you will have a word bank and equation bank like on the previous test.